the importance of setting up the rifle scope level to your rifle is actually more important than most people think. In my retail shop days, I've seen a lot of optics come through on systems and put them to the shoulder to fix them or clean them or whatever it is that I've been doing to help the customer, and found how can that person possibly be using this, the optics all canted. The point here is that in those kind of scenarios where the two systems aren't very level to each other, if the customer or the user can maintain that same cant for every shot, you will find that customer won't notice a point of impact difference from when they sight it in.